Don't need my pointer for this one. So this is our bestseller this year in the mobility. It's the Rio. The Rio is the only mobility scooter that comes with a lithium battery. And the value of it is tremendous. It's $37.95. The other ones, you know, $34, $29. That lithium battery is worth $1,200. That battery, the main multiple bonuses to it, but it's going to last 3 times longer. You've got a little bit better range. You've got a little bit better response. This sucker's a little quick right off the throttle. And but sometimes this is the only option for people because the battery is so easily removable. And when they updated it last year, they made it so it was even more accessible. So you're going to take your key. You're going to come down here and there is a keyhole here. So I want you to see that, right? You're going to turn it to the right and you're going to lift this up. This does have a little bit of weight to it. How much? Oh, I don't know. I do work out, so. I'm going to say 20 pounds. Okay? So now when you have this here, that can lean like that. So you're going to turn the breaker off first. Okay, that's just for safety. And then they've come with this nice little handle right here. So you're going to pull this up. Can you see that? Okay, wiggle it and pull it up. And this is what keeps it into place. How great is that? Okay, I'm going to weigh this battery now so you know exactly how much this weighs. So if your strength is questionable, you know the facts, because that's what Ride the Wind does. We give you the facts. So if you're buying from not near us, then you feel confident buying it from us because we've shown you everything. So also, while we walk over here, do you need to charge this in the winter? Not really. Top it up when you're done. Take it out of the bike, store it inside, because there's nothing discharging this. So that's fine. Leave it in your house until you're ready to go back out in March or April. I knew it. 16.6 pounds. That's great.
20?
Yeah, 16.6 pounds is this battery. So that's great. That's really not fun, but really good. So there you go. Comes with the charger. And remember, we can ship these to you assembled. So all you have to do is take it off the pallet, take off the wrapping, turn it on. Whoop, there you go. And while we're at it, I'll show you how to put it back in. Doesn't matter which side you plug it in, by the way. Snap. Boop, boop. Yeah, I would say about 18 pounds, given the weight on that one. Ready to rock and roll.